Not entered any trade yet. It's 9:33. It's been 3 minutes. Is everybody still okay? You guys all right? Everybody's not freaking out, right? Everybody's cool? Okay.
Super
Super
green Google.
Good, good. I'm going to flip SPY up here on the big screen. Okay, SPY right here. I'm going to go in smaller if it breaks below the 9, but I'm waiting. And what I'm looking for, if and only if it breaks this 9 and 21. So what I'm going to look for is right here. I'm going to look for the pull to here. That's my trade. It's the only trade I've got set up right here. Just got in that trade, by the way. I don't know why it didn't alert. I'm in that trade to the downside. There it goes. Nice pull. There she goes. There's the flush. Moving my stop. I want to see that come down to that 607 here. Oh, I just got stopped out. It wicked me out. That's okay. Made $125. Obviously, it didn't want to get to 607, did it? That's why I protect my trade. So once it goes green, I pull my stop. Looking for the setup to the downside again. Same drill. Breaks below the 21. I'll enter. It's going to be a tight move. Otherwise, I'm just waiting.
Order filled.
That's me, by the way. I just got in that short. Did everybody hear it? Oh, look at that. That's nice. Come on, see a little more. I'll take it.
Order filled.
Oh, that's nice. Did anybody make any money off that? That break of that 21?